Hello boys and girls, Mrs Savage here again. I hope you're all staying safe and enjoying doing some baking. Today I thought we'd make some fork biscuits. The ingredients you will need to make for fork biscuits are 100 grams of butter, softened. If you haven't got butter, margarine is okay. 50 grams of caster sugar, 150 grams of self-raising flour. You will also need to ask your adult to preheat the oven to 180 or 350 depending on your electric oven, or if you're on gas, it's gas mark 4. I've got all my ingredients weighed out ready because it is much easier when you start. The first thing you need to do is wash your hands. Now you're going to put your butter into your bowl and you're going to mix it till it's really soft. It needs to be all soft and gooey. Okay? All soft and gooey in together. Right. When it's all soft and gooey, you're going to add your sugar. And you're going to mix those together. Once your butter is all lovely and smooth, you're going to add your self-raising flour. All in together. And you're going to just mix it lightly to start with the spoon. And it's all going to come together. Can you see how it's all coming together? Once it starts forming like this, this is where you can use your hands and get sticky. Once your ingredients start coming together, if you put a little bit of flour on your fingers, cover your hands, and you're going to bring the dough together, mixing with your fingers. This is the messy bit. You need to bring it together till it all makes a dough. It's very, very messy. Once our dough's mixed all together and it looks like this, we're ready to start making our cookies. So first thing you need to do is go and wash your hands again so they're clean, because otherwise they're all grubby. Then you're going to put a tiny little bit of flour on your fingers again, because this is where the other messy bit comes. And we're going to pinch tiny small balls like this, not even that big. We're going to roll them into a ball and we're going to put them on our baking sheet, which I've put greaseproof paper on first. And we're going to make lots of balls. This is the fun part. You can make your balls as big or small as you like, depending on how big they are to how many you make. Once you've made all of your small balls and they're all on your baking trays, you probably need 2 baking trays for this, but you can do it in 2 small lots if you want to. You're going to take your fork, put it in some water, and you're going to flatten your biscuit. That is why it's called a fork biscuit. When you've made the dent on your biscuits with your fork, you need to ask your grown-up to put them in the oven for you. Your biscuits will take 15 to 20 minutes to cook. Check them after 15 minutes. Taking these out of the oven after 17 minutes. Now my biscuits have come out of the oven, I can put them on my cooling rack, and once they're cool, I can enjoy eating them with my family. I hope you enjoy making fork biscuits, and I hope you find them as yummy as my family do. This is the instructions to make your fork biscuits.